All right, I got two types of brands to talk about today. Business number one has no CRM, has a website that looks like crap, doesn't follow up with their leads, and quite frankly is frustrated with all the different softwares and systems. Brand number two has a really cool website and has a simple to use CRM that follows up and uses automation. Which one do you think makes more money? Well, I'm definitely brand number one. Our business that's what we do, is automation. Which business are you? Almost every founder I speak with is right here. They've got 5 to 10 different softwares. They don't sync together and they don't even know if they're following up with their leads. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of AutomationLinks. Today's video, I'm going to share my screen and show you the exact CRM and system that generates over 40% of leads to customers. People even pay me to schedule consulting calls without ever speaking with me. So let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. So first off, I want to show you my software right here that we use. We use a software called Go High Level. We were using something called HubSpot before, spending $800 a month and didn't even send all of the automations. This is my pipeline for this year, and it's automatically generating leads from my landing pages. This is a test dummy. It's me. It's one of my other emails. And I want to show you exactly the data that pulls in that actually allows you to follow up. So what I can see here is this lead came from YouTube. Now I know exactly what to send them, how to speak to them, and exactly which ad that they clicked on. They clicked on ad number 1 from a CPC and they downloaded my free guide. These are all the different things that they did from my website, every single page and every single action they took. Now, if you're frustrated having all this different software, spending too much and it's just cluttered, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send you over this free system. It's 3 steps that you can learn on how to simplify your brand. Let's get back at it. All right, from there, I can see all the actions they took, that they opened every single one of my emails, and even if they scheduled a call, I'll be able to see all the details they filled out when they're on my website, so I know exactly if they're an interested or qualified person to work with. Now, how it works is people go to my website here and they go and look at this free landing page, and then they fill out the form to get more information and to get my free marketing system. Now, what this form is this form is in my CRM and it tracks exactly what they came from. So they know if they came from Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, wherever. As soon as they fill this form out, it's going to go trigger them back into my automation. So it's going to say right here that this person came from YouTube and exactly what time and day. They're going to then see the different pages that that person was on and exactly what they clicked on. Now it's actually going to show me if they take another action here. So what I do is I have a form that they can fill out to give me more information. That way I know exactly who they are and if they're qualified or not. How nice would it be for you to have a system that knows exactly where your customer came from, what they clicked on, and exactly what they said that they were interested in. Now, after they do all that, I give them a really special offer, a whole real expensive offer of just $1. This is where we set up everything and we have the full system to where they can actually get the full CRM set up for them. They can learn our marketing system. They can learn how to set up YouTube, X ads, and even see our 24 email automations. Now, that's not it. Now what they're going to do is start getting some automated emails. And this is where I want to encourage you. This is what's going to build your business, is the follow-up. Not everyone's going to buy your offer. Most people won't buy that dollar offer I just showed. But if you follow up, send them the right emails, and you make them personalized, that's what's going to increase your lead flow and get you to close more sales. So as soon as someone fills out that form, they go into my opportunity pipeline. I'm able to track them based on what their value is and exactly how much converts at the end of the day. I'm tracking them because whatever they say here is what's going back in for me to show exactly what they're worth. All right, from there, we offer them an ability to schedule a consulting call. Now, this isn't just a free consulting call. We get hundreds of leads from YouTube every single month, so we need to actually filter these out. So we charge $250 for a consulting call because we think we can provide a ton of value. So I want to think about your business. What's something that you can help people out with that you can charge them for in exchange for your information? And then from there, what you want to do is continue tracking them every step of the way through calendars, through emails, marketing, and even the follow-up in retargeting ads. So I want to encourage you, you might be using something like Calendly, or you might not be using anything to schedule calls. This is all built into your CRM. And if you're using a CRM that doesn't offer everything, I highly encourage you to save some money and find one that offers you everything in a box so you can completely track it. You can see right here that I'm able to track all all my conversations that I have. This shows all the conversations on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere people chat with me. Also, it allows me to build that calendar and embed it right in my website. That way people know it's all about brand. You're going to see that I talk a lot more about brand lately because you're going to see that the website is on brand, the calendar's in here. I'm not sending somebody to some cheap Calendly link. It's all embedded and it all is on brand. Your customer, you're going to be able to track the higher level customer if you do this. It's going to track all my opportunities. I can accept payments. That way I can get rid of any payment pages that I use. It's going to allow me to schedule out my social media, my automations, and even build a website, landing pages, and a membership with a community. All right, so if you're frustrated with where your leads are and you're not getting enough leads, not getting enough sales, probably because you're not following up, and you're probably frustrated with the software here, software there, software here, where you got to pay just to add another user, you got to pay to get more contacts, or you just are paying for something you don't use, I highly encourage you to building your business on a strong foundation and using a software that you can trust to have everything in one place so you actually follow up with your leads. I'm going to recommend another video right here that shows you the sneak peek and breaks down every single section in this software that I use. That way you can see if it's a good fit for you. And if this video brought you any value, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you on my next video.